My name is Dorota. I participated in the Positive Discipline for Early Childhood Educators training led by Yogi Patel and Positive Discipline in Singapore. The training provided me with fresh strategies for helping children navigate problem-solving situations. The biggest aha during the training was recognizing that in positive discipline, we engage students in finding mutually acceptable solutions rather than offering solutions ourselves. I highly recommend joining future Positive Discipline for Early Childhood Educators trainings. Positive discipline methods are extremely effective. They eliminate negative social and emotional behaviors and help develop happier, calmer, and more capable children.